We have to just lean back on the wall in here. We know what spot we have come from and the amount of damage with the storm. We will feel down, yes, but we must always believe there is a better day and we will come back and we will rise again. What do you say about that, the people? Code everything. So over there you have the garden guest house. Yeah, man. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man, me there one place with them call him Calabash Bay. But trust me, see where that kind of look a bit. Now, you know it a move away, cool and hot, but guess what? We still have a tour Calabash Bay in a St. Elizabeth. One place them call him. In the Treasure Beach area, yeah, man, I'm going to show you what I go on. No? Stick and stay. And the tour guide is a Fire Reid, me I show you what I go on. Yeah, man, see it there? Dolphin Villa. Yeah, man, so can come at the villa down here, so. In a Treasure Beach, so this is a villa. You know, as I show you, can't really go over there at the moment. But you can go online and check it out and you can see exactly how the villa stay. At least you have an idea. Yeah, man, and this is a good work of art, eh? Yeah, man, I like this work of art. Yeah, man. This is very creative, you know? Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, I'm talking to you. Yeah, man, I'm talking to you. I don't see I watch on your smart TV or your smartphone, but like up the video and share it if you learn something about Calabash Bay. Yeah, man. So me giving a walk on the seaside area. This is also, I think it's a fishing village also, guys. Yeah, man, so I want private property, no dumping. So people that may dump up a place. Oh no, keep Jamaica clean, man. Yeah, man, keep Jamaica clean. And stop and mess up a place, you know. So them place here, mostly in the week and weekend time, I always visit them place here. If you want a relaxation, come sit down on the beach and enjoy yourself, you know. Manas bossy. Yeah, man, so. You can see them places get damaged from the storm, you know. You can see the seawater come up. So this is the thing when you live beside seaside, this is one of the challenges when I go face. You see them column here with the steel. Yeah, man, so the salt water I go rotten them steel here. So anytime when I want to buy the house on the seaside, I don't know say I will encounter them problem, you know. So you know say salt water and I love steel, it I go rotten them. Yeah, man, to go right there, you know. So we can come and have a drink right here at Edgewater. Yeah, man, at Edgewater, come have a drink on a cool red stripe there. Can you imagine that the storm? You can imagine the surge. You can see the water come way up, mash up all them building here. Yeah, man, you can see it. Big damage them, you know. Boy, me have to just lean back on the wall in here. We know what spot where I come from and the amount of damage with the storm. We will feel down, yes, but we must always believe there is a better day and we will come back and we will rise again. What do you say about that to people? We will rise again, man. Don't worry yourself. We will rise again. Man. See this, man? You see that people? And you can see sparky water come and leak out the whole of yourself. Yeah, man, leak out everything. Be careful, you know. You man have to be very, very careful. So over there you have the garden guest house. Yeah, man, so you can see sparky water surge and you can see it look right round and around. So far the water go up and nothing normal, the people, nothing normal. Yeah, man. I walk see you, man, and tour the place. Can you imagine, man? Look, me people. Come like a desert. So the water come way up here, so. Look how far the water come. Can you imagine? Yeah, man, so